Wagwan, welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen, yeah? So today I'm gonna share with you I make my veggie ramen noodle soup and I'm using the chili flavored one, okay? This one is gonna be vegan friendly. So we're gonna jump right into the intro, then we're gonna start our cooking process, okay?
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So this is my ingredients I'm using. I have some celery, I have some sweet pepper, I have some okra, one scotch bonnet pepper, I have some carrot cut up, a chili flavored noodle, I have a pumpkin noodle, because remember this is vegan friendly. I have some pimento berries, I have some fresh garlic, and here I have some baby pop choy. So we're gonna start our cooking process now. Now my water is boiling, so I'm going to add my carrots. Now I'm going to add my pimentos. I'm going to add my garlic and I mash the garlic. 3 cubes of garlic. I'm going to add the celery. Now I'm going to cover my pot for it to come to a boil. Now I'm going to add the noodle. I'm not using the chili flavored. I'm gonna use this one instead, the pumpkin flavored soup mix. So now we're gonna add the noodle. We're gonna add a piece of fresh thyme. Now we're gonna add the baby pop choy. We're going to add the sweet pepper. Add 1 scotch bonnet pepper. We're going to add our okra. We're gonna cover it to come to a boil. Now we're gonna stir. Now I'm going to add the pumpkin flavored noodle. So we're not gonna use the noodle from this. We're just gonna use the season. So we're gonna sieve it. My people, make sure you try this recipe. I'm telling you, really good. I make this all the time. It's a good recipe. It's vegan friendly. So if you're a vegan, you could try, everybody could try this recipe, okay? We're not gonna add no salt to it. Really quick and simple. You could add some shrimp in it if you want. But remember, this one is vegan friendly, so no shrimp, okay? Alright, we're gonna cover it, make it cook. Look at this, my people. It smells so good. I'm telling you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share this video also. So okay, the soup is finished cooked. Everything is perfectly cooked. So it's really quick and simple. Don't take too long. So we're gonna share it. Cut the heat off. So we're gonna share it now. Look at that. So look at this, my people. Really nice and tasty. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to come up. Peace out.